guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be doing a makeup tutorial but lahat ng products na gagamitin ko dito is below $10. I will list all the products down below, pati yung mga prices nila. So, kung gusto niyo malaman ko ano yung mga products na ginamit ko para makreate tong look na to, please keep on watching. So guys, mag-start tayo with a face primer and I'm going to use my favorite. This is from The Ordinary. This is the High Spreadability Fluid Primer, which is I think only $7 or $8 sa kanilang website. And I know available na rin to sa Sephora website. Again, I like this primer kasi meron siyang parang blurring effect. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Tapos at the same time, yung feeling niya sa skin is parang smooth. Ganun yung effect niya sa skin. Now for the foundation, again, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and this is only $5.99 sa Ulta website. So, hindi ko alam kung magkano siya sa Pilipinas, pero this is, again, perfect kung mahilig kayong mag-take ng selfie, kung mahilig kayong maggawa ng video kasi meron nga siyang parang filter effect, ganon. Ang ayoko lang dito is yung amoy niya. Amoy siyang pintura, na amoy thinner, na amoy barnis. Ganon yung amoy niya. Next, for the kilay, kung hindi Anastasia yung ginagamit ko, I use this Colourpop Brow Color. Ito yung parang pomade ng Colourpop and this is only $6. Next, lilinisin natin yung edges ng kilay ko kasi medyo hindi siya maganda tingnan as of now. So, I'm going to use this Girl HD Pro Conceal and I think nabili ko lang to for $3.99. And ang shade na gagamitin ko is Natural. So, kapag nagustuhan ko na yung shape na gusto ko, kasi usually ganun yung ginagawa ko sa concealer, doon ko shape yung aking brow. So, I'm going to use next a brow mascara. This is from Maybelline. This is the Brow Drama Sculpting Mascara and ang shade nito is Auburn. Actually hindi medyo, red siya. So, gusto ko lang nalagyan ng konting pagka-reddish yung aking kilay. So, to prime our eyelids, I'm going to use this. Again, from Maybelline, this is their Master Prime Long Lasting Eyeshadow Base. And this is only $6.99. So, kung hindi ko nasabi yung price, lalagay ko na lang dito sa baba para malaman nyo kung ano yung price nito mga products na gagamitin ko today. So, as you can see, merong konting shine or shimmer itong eyeshadow base na nilagay ko. Pero I'm going to use a setting powder mamaya para iset siya or para mag-mattify siya. And to set my eyeshadow base, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Contour Palette. Ito yung powder version nila kasi meron din sila nung cream which is gagamitin ko mamaya. So, gagamitin ko lang tong shade na medyo yellowish para iset yung ating eyeshadow primer. For my eyeshadow, ang gagamitin ko is again from Maybelline. Kung hindi nyo alam, ang favorite drugstore brand ko is Maybelline. So, I'm going to use this City Mini Palette. Ito yung collab ng Maybelline with Shayla. So, ito yung itsura niya or ito yung shades na nandito sa palette na to. So, for my crease color, I will use this brown shade sa aking crease. Biblend ko lang siya ng i-blend hanggang maging seamless yung kanyang color. Now, for our lid color, very simple lang gagawin natin na eye makeup today. I'm going to use this Super Shock Shadow in the shade Track. And ito is, I think $5 lang yata sa website nila. So, the best way to use this is using your fingers. So, yan. Next, I'm going back in with this City Mini palette and gagamitin ko yung burgundy shade and yung black shade para i-smoke out yung aking outer V. And then, using the gold shade dito sa palette na to, lalagay ko lang siya sa aking center ng aking eyelids para medyo may pop ng shimmer. Next, to conceal our under eyes and yung ibang redness sa face natin, I'm going to use this Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Next, para magkaroon tayo ng konting kulay sa mukha, hindi yung ganito na mukha tayong espasol, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. So, ito is cream. I'm going to use this stipple brush. And then, I'm going to set it with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder. Next, para mas maging defined pa yung ating contour sa face, I'll use this e.l.f. Contour Palette. Ito naman yung powder version. Now for our blush, again, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Blush palette. So, I'm going to use itong medyo rosy pink na shade. Magbabalik tayo sa eyes dahil hindi pa tayo tapos. I'm going to use this Essence Superfine Eyeliner Pen. And then for my tight line, I'm going to use this LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then put on some mascara. This is my favorite from Essence, the Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara. So, maglalagay tayo ng highlighter. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Coffee and Cream. Ito yung collaboration ni Heart Defensor from e.l.f. So, naglagay na ako sa tip ng nose ko tsaka sa bridge. Nakalimutan ko, hindi pala ako nagre-record. So, I'm going to use the cream shade using this e.l.f. small tapered brush. Super ganda ng highlighter na to, pero I feeling ko lang, hindi ko lang kung ako lang yon. Parang na-emphasize niya yung pores ko. Parang ganun. Hindi ko lang po nakikita niya, pero meron kasi ako mga pimple dito na maliliit. So, parang na-emphasize niya. Pero, ganda pa rin naman nung ano niya, diba, pagka-highlight niya. So, ito rin yung gagamitin ko sa aking inner corner and sa aking brow bone highlight. And for our lips, ang gagamitin ko is itong Ultra Satin Lip. Ito yung kasama sa Dream Team na lip trio ni Kathleen Lights, and ang shade nito is Dreamy. So guys, this is the finished makeup look, and akalain nyo ba na yung mga products na ginamit ko to create this look is below $10 lang. So guys, gusto ko lang i-remind na hindi nyo kailangang mag-splurge ng mga mamahaling makeup para makagawa ng bonggang makeup look. Kasi meron talagang mga drugstore product na mura and ang ganda pa ng quality. So guys, yan, dun sa mga nagsa-start pa lang, sana nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo. And kung meron kayong request, comment down below. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget na meron akong mga giveaways pa sa aking Instagram and sa aking YouTube. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next video.